Hello friends, welcome to Circuit and Code Academy. Today's our first requirement is for Engineering and MCA batch 2020 pass out. Last date to register for this job is February 5. Assessment will be conducted starting from February 11. So eligibility criteria for this position is candidates should have graduated in 2020, should have 60% and above in 10-12 diploma graduation. Aggregate of 8 semester in graduation will be required. MCA, MTech candidates can apply for this job. Only 1 year gap in education is allowed after HSC. No gap is allowed after diploma. So qualification is required for this job is MCA, BE Tech, MTech candidates can apply for this job. They will consider branches like information technology, information science, computer science, computer electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, electrical and electronics, electronics and instrumentation. Candidates must possess excellent English written and spoken communication skill, must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location. If you are selected, company will relocate to any their branches across India or worldwide. So please consider this point. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the selection process. Selection process will be done in virtual mode. If you are selected or shortlisted for this position, they will conduct 5 rounds of interview. First round is for technical assessment. Second round is multiple choice question based on English. Third round is game-based aptitude test. Fourth round is behavior competency profiling test. And fifth round is aptitude and HR round. If you want to apply for the job, I will provide link in the description. Next requirement is for junior electronics and testing engineer. Company name Srimira Electronic Services Private Limited. Job location is Mumbai. They are looking for electronics engineers with a degree diploma in ENTC, industrial electronics, instrumentation, power electronics, who are interested in hardcore electronics candidates and have interest in AC/DC drive, VFD, HMI, power supply, electronics repair, troubleshooting. Interested candidates can send their resume to careers@srimira.in. Next opening is for electronic service engineer. Company name is Promote Equipment Private Limited. Location is Mumbai. Job description: installation, commissioning, servicing of electronics dairy equipment. Education required for this post: ITI diploma in electronics. Experience 1 year plus into service industry. Only male candidates can apply. This job is field job, so only male candidates can apply for this post. For more details, you can go through the company and apply for opening through their careers page. There is another opening, .NET developer for Ahmedabad location. So experience required for .NET developer is 5 to 8 years. There are 3 number of openings. So who have experience in .NET developer, they can apply for this post also.